Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Abhishek from Sai Dental Vlogs, and if you are viewing this channel for the first time, I make videos on dentistry, particularly dental related topics. So today's video I am making after a week gap, I think. So many people were asking me about how to open a new dental clinic. What are the things we have to take into consideration before opening the new dental clinic? So today's video I'll make in Hindi as well as English little bit, because many people have difficulty in understanding English. So if I make a video in English, many people have difficulty in understanding in Hindi. So basically, what we as dentists, we always think कि after passing out, right, we'll get a decent job, and whatever fees our parents have paid, that we can repay in time, whatever by taking a loan, or if the parents have taken a loan, or they have borrowed, or they have from their salary itself. From inside we have a feeling that okay, we need to give something to them, so that they also feel the real worth ki okay, their son or daughter have done BDS, and they can also boast about their children ki okay, now see they are running a good clinic. So now in the present scenario, so सच्चाई ये है कि jobs बहुत कम है. Job is very less in dentistry now. Only 2 to 3 government seats are coming nowadays, and whenever there is some seat, there is some person with a huge backup of money or with a huge political power, then they are only getting the jobs. मैं ऐसा ये बात मानता हूँ, लेकिन in my case it never happened, but usually it's happening nowadays. So usually what I would suggest you guys to make a new clinic of your own wherever you are staying. So suppose you are staying in a small place. So there are a lot of things, lot of factors, lot of considerations which we need to understand and analyze before opening the clinic, right? So some of you are staying in an urban area, some of you are staying in a entirely rural area, some are staying in a semi-urban area. So all three criteria you have to make different type of clinics, right? Suppose you are staying in a village area, right? I have already made many videos on dental clinic. You can see my playlist in dental clinic design. I have made many videos regarding how to increase the income in your dental clinic, how to increase the patient flow, and how to open a new dental clinic, how to open a clinic with minimum investment, how to open a clinic in a small space. So you can go to my playlist and you can see all the videos are there, and at the end of the video also I will add all those playlists in the description, and also in this thing, when the video ends you can see that. So today, coming to the topic today, so basically क्या होता है कि हम लोग main factor which comes into our mind कि कैसे खोलें, how to open, that is the main thing. See, how to open, that doesn't depend upon any factor like money, place. How to open, the only factor which is important is your attitude, whether you really want it to open from inside or not. See, there are two factors. एक तो whether there is a fear among the students. First fear is that whether I'll be able to control the patients, and whether I will be able to do all the work, perform all the work. This first fear is there. Second fear is there कि okay, I don't have money and how to open. That is the thing. So main common fear is first. If you have the confidence inside you, I'll tell you, जिनको मन में confidence है कि मुझे सारा काम आता है, वो कैसे ना कैसे करके कोई ना कोई clinic खोल ही डालेंगे. So basically, whenever you have a wish to open a clinic, that is inside you, that you learn all the work before opening the clinic. That is the main priority what I would like to tell you, because one mistake patient you make on the patient, that patient is gonna tell 100 other people ki don't go to that clinic, right? So before opening any clinic, ensure that you are doing good work, at least some amount of work, some like prosthodontics, extraction, everything you know before opening a clinic. Second factor comes into mind, like how to open. So how to open, first of all you have to find a place inside the marketplace, which is very necessary, what I feel. Because if you open a clinic in a marketplace, what happens is all the people are going to the market, right? People from XYZ place, they are going to the A place. Suppose there is a puja shop, or there is a bank or ATM, or there is some cloth store, or if there is any market, vegetable market. So near that area, if you open a clinic, all the people are coming into that particular area every day to buy different things. So when they will see your clinic, the spread will be fast, your patient flow incoming will be fast. Similarly, if you open a clinic in home, what is the difference? In marketplace, you have to pay more rent, right? But in a place like in your home, it is inside the colony, right? So only colony people will come more. How come the person from outside, from different place, will be able to know that your clinic is there inside the colony? It will take a lot of years. But if you open a clinic in an urban place or a marketplace, what will happen? Even walk-in patient you will get. Walk-in patient means a person is passing by. Suppose he was having or he is having a tooth pain, he will just go and ask how much is the charge and all and how to do, and just he will ask. So that walk-in patient is very important for growing your practice. That you have to experience in a marketplace only. In a urban, in your home, if you open, the patient flow will be less. That is for sure. But what is the basic difference? आपको रेंट पे नहीं करना पड़ेगा घर पे, और बाहर अगर आप लेंगे तो आपको रेंट पे करना पड़ेगा. दूसरा फैक्टर है पैसा. देखिए पैसा, डेंटल क्लिनिक में पैसा खर्चा तो है, राइट. यू हैव टू बाई अ डेंटल चेयर इटसेल्फ, and that is also costly. It's not very cheap. So there are many different type of dental chairs. We have the dental chairs, namely different type of companies. The best company is Confident. Then other chairs are also there, which is available in India easily, like Chesa company is there. Then Crown Dent company is there. So the Confident company is giving 3 different type of chairs, and totally Indian made, and that I'll make a separate video of the entire production, how the dental chairs are being made of Confident, and why it is little bit costly than the other chairs. So I think maybe in the next this month end I'll make that video for you people. So right now you can see in my clinic I have a Confident chair and I have a chair of Clinics. So this is the green one, that is the yellow color one. So if see, a doctor always tries to give the best for the patient, right? But the patient never thinks, अरे यार इसने तो Confident का चेयर लगाया है, अरे इसका चेयर चमक रहा है. Patient never thinks that. Patient is only and only concerned about the tooth and the money. That's all. Patient never sees कि आप कौन से कंपनी का चेयर लगा रहे हो, वो इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली ऊपर उठ रहा है या नीचे उठ रहा है, वो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक और आगे पीछे. अगर आप पेशेंट में इम्पैक्शन केस आया एंड यू हैव द 2.5 लाख वाला चेयर इन योर क्लिनिक एंड यू आर नॉट एबल टू रिमूव द टूथ, then patient will not see your chair कि what chair you are working. And even the same person अगर लकड़ी के चेयर में दांत निकाल दिया तो फिर patient will be praising you and he'll be sending you more 10 patients. He will never see what chair you are using. So never go run behind researching chairs and all. Chair is everything same only. Little bit difference is there in the quality, because you need to work on the patient. You need to run your air rotor, micromotor, all those things are there. That should run properly. You should have proper pipes and the things should not rust. The ease of working is there for the chair is for the dentist basically, not for the patient. You remember both this thing. So chair investment is there, plus another investment is the RVG. So RVG is costing around 1.5 lakhs. There are different companies of RVG like Kodak, then Kodak, then Vatek, then many other companies like another one new company has come, Woodpecker, that is also giving a cheap RVG. Then many other companies like Sunire, so Sopix. So many companies are there, so that investment is really necessary. Dental chair and RVG. If you don't have a RVG, you will have a lot of difficulties in while working, right? Exposure नहीं आएगा, then developing difficulty होगा. I have faced the same situation for 3 years, so I plan to buy a RVG. अभी तो Vatek बहुत अच्छा offer भी दे रहा है. You can see my other video what offer is there for Vatek. So this is the thing, and the place where you open your clinic, it should be near your home. It should not be like you have to travel 1 hour and go there and वहाँ पे फिर आप क्लिनिक करोगे तो आधे दिन आपका मन ही नहीं करेगा जाने का. That is the main thing for opening a clinic outside the your city limits, right? Now coming to the कैसे, how to make a clinic means whether you should invest what amount of money, what infrastructure you should give. Suppose अभी all things have become flashy now. एक और चीज़ मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि अगर आप क्लिनिक बहुत ही खराब उतना डिज़ाइन नहीं बनाएंगे, थोड़ा बहुत डिज़ाइन ज़रूरी है आजकल, क्योंकि उससे क्या होता है कि क्लिनिक बहुत नीट एंड क्लीन दिखता है, राइट? प्लस पेशेंट ऑल्सो देयर इज अ पॉजिटिव इन्वायरमेंट इनसाइड द क्लिनिक. व्हेन यू एंटर इनसाइड द क्लिनिक एक अच्छा सा इन्वायरमेंट रहेगा, एसी ऑन रहेगा, कूल रहेगा, आपका माइंड ठंडा रहेगा, तभी आप अच्छे से काम कर पाएंगे. अगर आपका क्लिनिक शैबी होगा, गंदगी होगी और उतना अच्छे से पेंट नहीं हुआ होगा या फिर वॉट एवर, तो ये अगर आप नहीं करेंगे प्रॉपरली तो फिर क्या होगा, स्पेस कम होगा. देखिए मेरे क्लिनिक में स्पेस बहुत कम है, इसलिए फिर भी मैं ट्राई करता हूँ कि इसको मिनिमम से मिनिमम चीज़ें रखने के लिए. और कम स्पेस में भी मैंने कैसे क्लिनिक बनाया है उसका मैंने वीडियो बना चुका हूँ ऑलरेडी, तो आप जाके देख सकते हैं। अगर आप रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे तो मैं एक और डाल भी दूंगा। सो दिस इज द थिंग, in order to start for the clinic you need the base amount of money, some amount 5 lakhs. So how can you get that 5 lakhs? That is also important. 5 lakhs you can borrow from your parents, like 2 lakhs 3 lakhs, and suppose you're from a government college. I'm just giving an example. So you're getting stipend in your internship, so that internship money you can go to the chartered accountant and you can say to file the income tax return for you. Very easy, within you will take only 1000 rupees, and for getting a loan from the bank you need to show 3 years of IT return. That is most important. So 3 years का IT return है तो आपको पर्सनल लोन बहुत इजीली मिल जाएगा। डॉक्टर्स लोन लेने में थोड़ा सा झमेला है, वो 2% उसका इंटरेस्ट रेट थोड़ा कम होता है, लेकिन पर्सनल लोन थोड़ा 10 to 11% है, तो दैट यू कैन easily, the banks are giving very easily loan nowadays to doctors. So and if you are doing a job in some dental college, that is also very easy. You can show the salary slip and इनकम टैक्स रिटर्न भले जरूर करें, भले ही आपका कुछ इनकम ना हो फिर भी रिटर्न करना बहुत जरूरी है। सपोज आप महीने का कुछ ऑनलाइन यूट्यूब वीडियो बना के या फिर कुछ भी करके आप अगर साल का 20,000 भी कमा रहे हो ना, उसको दिखाओ कि आप कमा रहे हो, तो दैट यू कैन शो योर ऑन दैट मनी यू कैन इजिली गेट अ लोन इफ यू फाइल इनकम टैक्स रिटर्न। तो मनी का प्रॉब्लम, दैट इज अ पर्सनल इश्यू, एंड ऐसा नहीं है कि आप पैसा नहीं है तो क्लिनिक नहीं खोल पाएंगे, आप बिल्कुल खोल पाएंगे। काफी सारे क्लिनिक्स भी सेल होते हैं जहाँ पे यू गेट सेकंड हैंड इक्विपमेंट्स, दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन बाई, राइट। माई दिस चेयर इज सेकंड हैंड, यू कैन सी हियर, दिस इज अ सेकंड हैंड चेयर। एंड क्या खराबी है इसमें, व्हाट आई हैव डन, द सेकंड हैंड चेयर रिसेंटली ओनली आई हैव चेंज द एंटायर सेटअप, आई हैव चेंज द पेंटेड एवरीथिंग। This is a manual chair and I have changed the flex also. So I have spent also approximately 6,000 rupees for this chair to make it new. So initially I had got it from a dental college because it was going to close. I got this chair in only 17,000 rupees. So फिर अभी देखिए 70,000 rupees पे मैं कितने सारे पेशेंट में काम कर चुका हूँ। तो chair doesn't matter, I'm telling you. So you can also get good chairs at less price. So we have to search actually. दिल पे इच्छा होनी चाहिए तभी हो पाएगा। तो आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इन दिस वीडियो। और एक और इम्पॉर्टेंट बात, जहाँ पे क्लिनिक लोकेशन ढूंढें, आप ये देखें कि वहाँ पे आने जाने की सुविधा कैसी है, जैसे वहाँ पे ऑटो बस इजिली आती हो या फिर रिक्शा आती हो या फिर देयर शुड बी सम स्पेस फॉर पार्किंग ऑल्सो। दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग फॉर ओपनिंग अ न्यू डेंटल क्लिनिक, व्हाट आई फील। एंड ऑलवेज कीप अ असिस्टेंट इन योर डेंटल क्लिनिक। और बाकी डिटेल्स बहुत सारे वीडियोज मैंने बनाए हैं, हाउ टू मेक द क्लिनिक इनसाइड, पाइपलाइन कैसे हो, इन्वर्टर कैसे होना चाहिए, सो दोज डिटेल्स आर ऑल्सो देयर। तो इफ यू लाइक माई वीडियो प्लीज डू a like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for showing so much support. You can join me in this channel as well by paying a little bit amount of money, 30 rupees for basic, advanced level 50 rupees or 60 rupees, and ultra level 160 rupees. So you can we can connect with each other on Instagram video calls. So till then, take a very good day. Take care. Bye bye.